what is the difference between ranking number 1 on Google Maps and ranking 2, ranking 3, or just not even get shown at all, like having to be in this field where most people aren't clicking? These 3 are getting the most traffic. The difference is the backlink profile and building backlinks, how you build backlinks. So today, I'm going to show you 2 amazing ways to build backlinks. One using Claude AI, another one using a tool that I use, which is fully automated. Both ways work. Both ways you can use, both ways you can start today, so you can get a much stronger backlink profile, which is going to help you exponentially get a ton more traffic, a ton more sales, a ton more bookings, all the things that matter for you and your local business. Let's go. So let's talk about backlinks and why they are so important, in case you don't know. So if I do a search on Google for like plumber in Buffalo, right? You're going to scroll down here and immediately see the top businesses show on Google Maps. So it is super vital to get seen as one of these top businesses, because most people aren't going to hit more. They're going to make their decision based on what they see here. And what drives this? What drives these businesses rank here? Well, the fact that they have a Google business page, the reviews, but also the backlinks and the performance of their website. If they have a trash website, they're not going to rank as high in Google Maps, because Google wants to make sure that they're putting the best businesses, the most professional businesses at the top here, because if someone goes and clicks to their website and the website's trash and not helpful, or they don't even have a website, it's not going to bode well. So they want to make sure that they are showcasing the best businesses here. And most of these businesses have very strong backlink profiles. So if I copy this website here, I can basically go and see what kind of backlinks, and chances are they're going to have probably a lot of backlinks. So 983 backlinks, that's pretty substantial. 5,000 in organic traffic, pretty good for a local business. Let's see what this one is. So we're going to copy this link address, go over here, and we're going to pop this one in and kind of see how many backlinks these guys have in the number 2 spot. All right, these guys have, a decent number, 186, 3,000 in traffic. So they're doing pretty good as well. Let's see the number 3 spot, just to kind of round this out and see what they're working with here. All right, 102 backlinks, not that much traffic, which is kind of surprising, but you can kind of see the progression. Tons of backlinks, less backlinks, even less backlinks, right? And this one's probably, the John the Plumber one's probably a newer one, because they only have 97 reviews. This one has 323. This one has over 4,000. So the question remains, okay, how do we get backlinks? Because backlinks help with overall traffic, overall site performance, obviously your Google business page performance. Well, the first way to get backlinks is using Claude. So if you type prompt below or skill below, I will share this with you, where you can get it at arvow.com/prompts. But here's an MD file that'll help you, that you can run in Claude, that'll find you backlink opportunities. So let's just run this and I'll kind of show you firsthand what this does. All right, so once you basically just take that file and you copy it here and say install this as a skill, and then you can run it over and over again. So here is the skill that we have built, and I saved it, and this makes it a lot easier. But basically you can kind of open this up and see. Basically it's going to do backlink, the backlink workflow. It's going to find either, there's 2 workflows built into this skill, which is cool. The first is going to find guest post opportunities of where you can guest post for it and get backlinks. The second workflow is even better, is this competitor backlink finder. So it looks at all your competitors, where they're getting their backlinks, and the opportunities for you to reach out and get the same backlinks. So basically all you have to do to run this is just put your website. I'm just going to put one of those plumbing websites in there, hit enter, and then it's going to run and find those opportunities. All right, here we go. It generated this whole spreadsheet. Here's a summary version. It's easier to kind of look at here on the left. But basically what this does, it will find, so here it did the guest post one first. I could have it then do the competitor analysis second, but it runs the guest post ones first. So it's going to look the same. So basically it's going to give you a score, and it pulls this score from the domain, a lot of factors as far as like how built out the domain is, the quality of it, and then it will rank the top opportunities. So it gives you the domain, it gives you the actual guest post page, and then any notes. So basically you can click right to this link and reach out to get guest post opportunities. And then it ranks them by score. So you'd want to start with the top ones, and these bottom ones maybe you stay away from. And then it kind of gives you an overview breakdown of each. So this is for guest posts. Again, I can be like, okay, run workflow B, and then it'll do the competitor analysis. And that one's really cool too, because it looks the same way, but then it's going to do it with competitors and analyze the domains that they're getting backlinks for. So then you can see, okay, how do I get a backlink for the same domain that my competitor is getting backlink? Because there's a lot of opportunity to be able to get the same type of backlinks, because it's, if you're a similar business, it makes sense that you'll be able to get similar backlinks. So that's step one, using Claude. Put prompt or skill below, and I will share that with you. Pretty easy, as you can see. An even easier way is to use a tool like Arvow to get backlinks, because they have a whole backlink profile builder automation in here, which is one of the many tools that they have. So basically you can sign up, you enter your domain in here and get entered in the backlink pool. How this works is Arvow has thousands and thousands of users. Every user that submits their URL gets entered in this pool. Easy enough, right? And then when you or someone else creates a piece of SEO content, it will look, the AI agent will look at the backlink pool and be like, okay, I'm creating content on a plumber. There's another plumber here that created an amazing piece of content. I'm going to link to that in here. So it's going to find relevant content and link to it if there is any. Usually there's some business that is relevant, and vice versa. If someone else creates a piece of content and they find your link relevant, it'll embed that here, and then you'll get the backlink. So most businesses are getting a couple of backlinks a day automatically without doing anything, which is awesome, right? Very natural, very easy to do. All you do is submit your URL. So that's fantastic, and that's one of the many features, and that's a great way to get ranked higher, is through a strong backlink profile. Another really good way to get backlinks is just through the content that you're doing. So Arvow allows you to do amazing SEO content. You can do SEO blog articles with a keyword targeting. You can do trending news articles. You can do YouTube articles from a YouTube feed or video. But basically this is nice because you can include all of your brand assets in these articles. So you can set up a template which will include your language. You can give it your knowledge base, case studies, website, training docs, format it. You can have it linked to your sitemap, so it links all your pages together. It'll add images, videos. So it's going to be branded to your brand, to your website. So it's not creating AI slop, which is super important. You can use AI to write. You can use AI to get traffic and get indexed, as long as it's not commodity articles, as long as it's not slop. And this is one way to do it, is using Arvow's AI to be able to create amazing articles that are branded, that is not slop. And you can also do custom articles. You can do article templates here. We've done one for plumbing, real estate. So you can interject your own variable articles, which is a great way to add a unique spin on the content that you're doing and get indexed even quicker because you're adding variables that are unique to your business in there. So you can set that up. There's a whole video tutorial on how to do template articles. I'm not going to get into that today. So it's a lot of options there. You can set up an auto blog so it'll post automatically for you. You can analyze your website from a technical SEO standpoint and make tweaks based on what it tells you. So basically it'll give you these tweaks. So you can click through each of these, and then based on which ones you select, it'll tell you what you have, what you need to change, why you need to change it, and then the ability to change it. So you can literally analyze and tweak your entire website from a technical SEO standpoint in just a couple of minutes. Really cool. They have an LLM brand monitor, so you can monitor your performance across AIs. So you can enter your own prompts, or it'll give you prompts to track visibility, track sentiment, whether it's positive or negative. So that's nice. You can add in your own prompts to monitor. What I do is, if I'm low on any of these prompts, I can basically just go and create an article here targeting this prompt, this search query, and help me get more visibility that way. Easy enough, but it helps track, because these are stealing AI overviews, AI citations are stealing a ton of traffic. So you got to get featured on them. This is a great way to be able to monitor it and get featured. And also, Arvow just added Google Business Profile posts. So you can automate posting on your Google Business page. That's another way to rank higher is to be posting in here, posting updates, posting SEO friendly stories. All that is necessary. So they do Google Business Profile posts, also review automations. So you can review replies. So when your Google Business Profile, if you're not replying to reviews, it just doesn't look good. Most of the top businesses are replying to their reviews because it helps show that you're engaged with your customers. So you can see here's the one, the top guy here, they're replying to all of their reviews. And I'm sure they have some type of automation here. But you're also replying in an SEO friendly way. So you're popping SEO back into your review replies, which is going to help you overall, help AIs understand what you do, what you serve, who's good at what they do within your company. And they're replying to all these. So you can see like not everyone is replying to reviews. So let's go back here let's see if John the plumber is replying to reviews, because they're not performing near as well. They are not. So you can see how much it helps you by replying to reviews. So you can automate all that. That's a new feature that they added. So lots of really cool stuff in here to help grow your business. So there's a link below to that. Hopefully it helps you guys out. I'll be back soon with some more good stuff for you. Check out this other SEO video.